This whole program is for the smart shopper.
Shop Smart saves me time and money. It's a great idea.
I'd like to see more businesses participate in the show. It's really
Everybody,
a
I'm
great
Rich
idea.
Fisher, and welcome to a brand new program.
Hi, this is Mason of Mason Radio and the Detroit Pistons. Detroit, you get that later. What I want you to remember is to keep watching all the time. Shop Smart TV.
Welcome to Shop Smart TV, the show that provides you with valuable information on products and services offered by some of Metro Detroit's premier businesses. Hello, I'm Bonita Brown. The businesses highlighted in our show are eager to earn your business by offering savings, incentives, and professional services to the smart shopper.
I'm here at Aqua Salon in downtown Royal Oak on 4th and Main Street, one of my favorite places to get my hair done.
Let's just get straight to the point. So Tim, how's business?
Samantha, I have to say that business is good.
Now is Patty. Hi, Patty.
Hi.
Welcome to the show.
Since 1988, we've been at this location since 1990.
Today is Dr. Demarius Ware.
For letting us visit your boutique today.
Welcome to Exquisite.
Thank you. It's definitely exquisite.
We offer homeowners, renters, motorcycle, motorhome, boats.
With the owner of the store, Demetrius Dunbar. How are you today?
We can do everything on it too.